In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Telegram without VPN. If your connection blocks Telegram or a VPN isn't an option, you can still get access by using Telegram's built-in proxy support or by switching to Telegram Web in your browser. I'll walk you through both, step by step, and explain what each option means so you can choose what works best for you. First, open Telegram. On desktop, head to Settings, then Advanced. Look for connection type and select Use Custom Proxy. This tells Telegram to route its traffic through a proxy server instead of your direct internet connection, which can help you bypass simple network blocks without needing a full VPN. On Android, open Settings, go to Data and Storage, scroll to the bottom and tap Proxy Settings. Choose Add Proxy. You'll see fields to configure a proxy so Telegram can connect even if your network is restricted. You'll be offered two proxy types. MT-Proto is Telegram's own protocol, designed for security and speed on Telegram traffic. It's often the most reliable choice for accessing Telegram in regions where it's limited. SOCKS 5 is a general-purpose proxy standard that many apps understand. It's simple, widely supported, and can be effective for getting around basic blocks. If you are unsure which to pick, try MT-Proto first. If it doesn't connect, switch to SOCKS 5 and test again. Next, enter the server details you received from a reliable proxy provider, specifically the IP address and the port number. These two pieces of information tell Telegram where to send its traffic. Make sure you type them exactly as provided. A small typo in the IP or port will prevent the connection from working. After you save, Telegram will attempt to connect through the proxy. If it doesn't connect, double-check the server details or try an alternate proxy from a trustworthy source. Remember, because all your Telegram traffic will pass through the proxy, only use providers you trust. If you ever need to stop using the proxy, simply return to the same settings page and remove it. If configuring a proxy isn't convenient, here is a quick alternative. Use Telegram Web in your browser. Open your preferred browser, search for Telegram Web, and sign in. Because it runs through standard web traffic, it may bypass app-level blocks that affect the desktop or mobile app. That's it. Thanks for watching.